Hey guys, today we will learn how to make an app. So, what do you think? What is an app? An app is a file which can be opened on a OS. OS means operating system. So, the platform which we are going to use is MIT App Inventor. Let me open it. For this, you need an Gmail account to log in with the MIT App Inventor and a continuous supply of network. So this is the web page of MIT App Inventor. Now click on Create Apps. It will say you to sign in. I have already signed in. Don't worry, you will just need to click your account and you will be signed in. Now just click on My Projects, Start New Project. Give this name as to Basic 1. This will be the name for the project which you will going to be used. Now here we go. So this is our button. These are all. This is called viewer mode. You can switch this to blocking mode for the coding. So here are the some things which you will need in the app, which is there present: user interface, layout, media, drawing and animation, maps, sensors, social storage, connectivity, Lego Mindstorms, experimental and extension. So extension is to make anything import. Just like if here button will be not there, then you need a button. Then you will insert button from this extension. We will further discuss about it. Let's go on user interface first. Now this is a screen which will be viewed on your phone. So the same screen. This is the title for the button. If you want to change the text, suppose I write the text as see image. This text is changed to see image. If you want to bold the text, you can bold it by clicking this. If you want to change the size, you can change it to 25. Now font type page means font. Say sans serif, serif and monospace. So I'll do this. This is the height. If we do it fill parent, it will come on the whole screen. See, like this. But if we take it automatic, it will be arranged according to the text. And same with the width. If we fill the parent of width, it will come here. So let it be fill parent only. Now shape of the button. See, in rounded it will be become rounded. For the oval one, click on oval. I'll keep it rounded. This is our text color on the button. See, it is by default black. Now I am clicking on green. See, it has changed to green. And whatever you want. This is a background color of our button. So I am taking it as black. You can also change color by making your own. If you are good at RGB color, you can choose it from here. Okay. Now this is let enable be enabled. Don't click on it. If you want an image to be there on a button, you can click on image, upload file, choose whatever the file. Suppose this is your file. Open it and click OK. It will soon be uploaded. See, now this image has been uploaded. But remove the text first or just click it to none. It will not be able to seen by anyone. Now change its height to, suppose you are doing work in pixel, 50 pixel, and width to again 50 pixel. See, arrange according to yourself. Now if you want to remove picture, click on image, none, and OK, and let your text be visible. Height automatic and width fill parent. If you want that the user does not see your button, click on invisible. Uncheck it. I am letting it be visible. Now here where you can rename your button. See, I'll take renaming means that you can make your coding easy by renaming a button. Suppose I put its name C. Now in future when I will do in coding for it, it will be easier for me to understand which button I am talking about. If you want to delete, click on delete and delete. But I am not deleting it. Now I bring on another button on my screen which is named as hide image. Text color same, black, font bold, size 25, font typeface monospace, width fill parent, and button shape as rounded. See, and change its name to hide. It is for our just understanding. Now I change the properties of background. See here. If you don't want that this screen when written does not be visible on your screen, just make it blank and title invisible. Now this is not visible. If you want any title to be visible, just click on this and whatever the title is, click on that. Let it be responsive so that if your phone is 5.7 inch and another one's phone is 6 inch, then it will set according to its phone. Let it be unscrollable. Scrollable means that you can scroll your screen down. Here is an icon. Icon means anything which you want as your icon on the logo or your of an app. Suppose I want this as my logo of app. I'll click on open and OK. It will soon be uploaded. Now the app is being uploaded. Now whatever the background color I want, I can choose it. But I am letting it to none. I tell how to add a background color, background image. Click on background image, upload file. Choose file from your computer wherever it is. See, suppose this is my file. I click on it, open, and it will be soon as set as my background color. See, now you will insert an image. Our basic concept is in the first step I am teaching you how to show and hide an image. So just bring an image. This is only single image, then I'll let its name to be check this. If you will check this, it will be visible to you. Now fill its height and width accordingly. So I am letting it with 300 pixel. I am checking it. It is too big today now. So let it be 100 and with 300 only. So now whenever you will click this image, this C image, this image will be shown, and when you will click on hide image, this image will disappear. Now go on blocks. Blocks is here where you can code for your app. Click on C. These are the components which you put on your screen. See this. I earlier told you this will enable us to code easily. C. What does C mean? Whenever user clicks on C, do what do? Show the image. So set image dot visible to and go on logic, let it be true. Duplicate this button for image 2. Hide. How to duplicate? Just right click it and click on duplicate. Hide. Whenever user clicks on hide, do what? Just let the image invisible. So make it false. Now I'll tell you how to connect, how to make your app, how to put your app in your phone, download and install. Now just click on build app.save apk to my computer. Just now it will save an apk file on your desktop in the download folder. Just just move that folder in your phone through the USB or any Bluetooth or anything do you want, and you can also WhatsApp it, and just do that and install that app on your phone. If you want me to let you know how to install your app, just give me a comment. Now it's downloading, just a second. Now here the download folder will come. See, it has started downloading. Hey, it's completed. Just like this, in your computer also, a download folder for a basic app. This is my chapter 1 for Learn Code on MIT App Inventor. So, this is the tutorial for first class. We will let to know you soon for the second one. Till then, bye. Thank you. Don't forget me to subscribe. Bye.